Hello guys, I'm using the WayPoints using the DJI Spark, but before I do anything, especially using the Litchi app, I want to go ahead and go to my DJI Go 4 app just to make sure everything is fine. Yes, I'll most likely do this with my other, if I'm going to do a third-party app, I'll most likely do this. So some of you guys probably won't do it, but you know, it's nothing wrong to go back to the DJI app just to make sure everything is fine. And just if you need to do anything, you can always rechange it there, and you can see here that's what I'm doing. And of course, just letting you know, the obstacle avoidance still works if you do use the Litchi app, so that's a good thing. Anyway guys, if you're not confident using the Litchi app, I think you should be. I mean, this app has been out since I had my DJI Phantom 3 standard in 2016. And I purchased it that time, and to be honest with you, ever since now I haven't paid a dime, so that's a good thing. Most likely they finished all their updates, they probably did all the firmware already for you, so that's a good thing, especially if you want to go ahead and use it for your DJI Spark. But anyway, I'm just doing this WayPoints. Before you do anything, you want to make sure the height of your drone, and make sure you know your surrounding, make sure you don't hit the trees or anything, so you want to go ahead and fly around just to make sure. So this started you off at 251 feet up, so it's a good thing. So you can reduce, or you can whatever would make you feel comfortable, but for me, I'm so confident using it, so I can modify my height, my level, and my surrounding. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it can do, and I'm gonna go ahead and start the mission. Just wait. Now it's recording, and we're gonna go ahead and see how accurate is the Spark. I'm sorry, that's where I take off at. We're gonna go ahead and see how Percision is the Litchi app. Is it good enough? Uh-oh. And it is. Wow. Dude, look at that. Land in your table. That is a successful flight with just a Litchi app. Wow. Guys, with no data, no Wi-Fi, and you can still get almost, like, I would say precision landing. It's on the table, it's in the dot. So anyway, thank you for watching.